Ase chinsemo n'abantu gosiria obugima nigo eserikali hanene kaunti ya Nairobi amochirwe asogotekerania obokoreri bwabo kaukwana muraibi kiama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigarwe ENG'ORA YAYE yabene ochiase amate yabeteke gosiria bamu abo chingaki Etoigo.
Pale Nairobi tumepata aibu kubwa sana. Huyu Ruto anasema ati Kenya itakuwa kama Singapore. Sasa Singapore hii drainage hakuna, watu wamekufa zaidi ya 10. Everything has broken down, destruction of property, and then you are telling Kenyans that you want to take them to Singapore when you cannot even fix simple issues like drainage in the capital city of Kenya. We want to send our condolences to those who have lost their loved ones. We are sorry, but we want to assure them we will fix this country. Ruto and Sakaja must be one term so that we restore the dignity of Nairobi. We bring back sanity in the capital city so that we are working